I got a Hershey's bar.
Super.
Sorry.
Mario, you getting a lot of candy?
Yeah.
Show me. Whoa, you're scoring. Where are you going next?
What's he supposed to be? Oh, it's Mario. I reckon you're super. Hello, how you doing?
Oh, Jake, what do you think?
Stand over here and look at that runner.
Wave at him. You liking this? No.
We're loving it.
Okay, Jake. You want to go brave it and get some candy?
Hello there, Mario.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Wow, you made it.
Your love is long, your love is wide, your love is deeper than my view of grace, higher than this worldly place, longer than this road I travel, wider than the gap you fill, deeper than my view of grace, higher than this worldly place, longer than this road I travel. First finger, first fret of the first string and strum 4 strings.
That sounds hard to me, doesn't it, you?
Yeah. Is this YouTube material?
Yes.
No, not in this
From
one.
the last low note, which is right here, and you strum all 4 strings like this.
It's pretty.
That makes a pretty sound, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Say thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Here we
Here
go.
we go, everybody.
Here we go.
For a Christmas special, Jingle Bells. Chord. With the chord.
Okay, you hear this, Ralph?
I hear it.
First C. Then F. C again. Then G7. C again. F. F again. C again. G7 again. And then last one, C.
Okay.
Here we go.